Yes, show me thumbs up if you can see the screen. Yeah, okay. Exercise 1.3. Right? Okay, good. Thank you. Exercise 1.3. Successive magnification of a numbers. Only two problems are there. I will explain one, and remaining problems. Remaining one more problem is you have to try that. So I'll explain this second. Okay, it seems to be a little bit difficult than compared to one, right? Okay. Get the question. What is that? 5.28 bar. We print 5.28 bar on the number line, right? What is that question? Yeah. 5.28 bar. Exercise 1.3. Row number 2. Okay, see. Let us take first step 1. This is the step 1 number line. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose -1, -2, so on you have here. So on this number line, this 5.28 bar lies between 5 and 6, right? Is it right? So please take a round up like this for the two numbers. The next line, next step, take those two. Here it is 5 and here it is 6. Okay. So what are the numbers between 5.5 and 6? Between 5 and 6 we have 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9. This is 6 here, okay? Don't go for here. Clear? Yes, no. Here it is 6. Okay. Between 5 and 6, we have 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, and 5.9. So 5.28 bar, we need 5.28 bar. If you observe, this 5.28 bar lies between this 5.2 and 5.3, isn't it? Between 5.2 and 5.8 lies. Is it right? So next, take more number line, which is step 3. So allow 5.2 here and 5.3 here. So in the question he asked about visualize 5.28 bar on the number line up to 3 decimal places, he asked. Okay, up to 3 decimal places. See. Next 5.2 and 5.3. So 5.21 after 5.2, 5.21, 5.22, 5.23, 5.24, 5.25, 5.26, 5.27, 5.28, 5.29. Okay. So now if you observe 5.28 bar, where it lies? Yeah, here it is, right? 5.28 bar, here it is. It lies between 5.28 and 5.29, isn't it? Clear, Nana? Any doubt? Yes. So 5.28 bar, we can write 5.28, 28, 28, so on. So, but he asked up to 3 decimal places, which is nothing but 5.282 we have to find. Up to it is enough. Okay. See. Are you getting the concept, Nana? This is called successive magnification. So here it is 5.28 and here it is 5.29. Okay. So 5.281, 5.282, 5.283, 5.284, 5.285, 5.286, 5.287, 5.288. Okay, and here it is already 5.29. Okay, and 5.289. Next one is 5.29 only. Okay, got it? Right. So now 5.2828 so on. Means 5.28. Okay, in 5.2828. Where it lies, Nana? Where is 5.282? Here it is. Right? And it lies between these two numbers, right? 5.282 and 5.283 between it lies. So next, take one more number line. This is 5.282 and 5.283. See, here it is 5.2821, 5.2822, 5.2823, 5.2824, 5.2825, 5.2826, 5.2827, 5.2828, 5.2829. Okay, yes, no. And next one is 5.28 to 5.3. That's 5.283. Okay, so where is our number? Here it is. Okay, that is our representation. So he asked in the question, visualize the 5.28 bar on the number line up to by successive magnification up to 3 decimal places. Already here it is 3 decimals is over, but still we continued up to 4 decimals. Okay, this is the representation of 5.28 bar on the number line. Okay, here we can write here. So here it is. Here we can write 5.28 is rise between 5 and 6. And here also we can write 5 less than 5.28 less than 6. Next here is we can write 5.28. Sorry, 5.2 less than 5.28 less than 5.3 we can write. And here 5.28 2 is less than 5.29. It's 5.28. Okay, next one 5.2828 less than 5.283 less than 5.22. Okay, any doubts, Nana? Please raise the hands if anybody is having the doubt. Yes, anybody is having a doubt, Nana? Yes, Nana, Guna Sai. Yes, Nana, what's your doubt, Guna Sai? I'm not getting your voice, Nana. Please Make it clear. Your voice is not audible to me. I think he left. Yeah, any more? Ramcharan, I told you to not to hold your mobile in your hands, right? Yes, now any doubts? How many are present? Only very few people, very few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Very few people are attending from environments, right? Let's see. Only 9 people. Okay, right. That is about exercise 1.3. Only 2 problems we have. Remaining one, please take that homework. Nana. Next thing. Yeah, first take the screenshots first. Exercise 1.3, problem number 2. This is the first page. This is second page and third page. Okay. Next. Next topic. Operations on real numbers. Operations on real numbers. See here. We'll discuss about all these things. Look at the example number 13, Nana. Example number 13. Check whether 5 root 2 and second one 5 by root 2. Number third one 21 plus root 3, 4 pi plus 3 are irrational numbers or not. We have to verify them. So here observe 5 root 2. The root 2 value is 1.414. Nothing but non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. So root 3 value 1.732, so on. And pi value is equals to 3.1415, so on. These are all irrational numbers, right? So 5 root 2 is nothing but Charan.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Is it for everyone or not? Yes, is it for everyone? No, right? Pranay?
No, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, use earphones, Sharan. Please try to use earphones. Mute now, mute all of you.
Yes, sir. Your voice is breaking now.
Now your voice is breaking. Mangadevi.
Breaking, sir, your voice.
Just wait then. Is it okay now? No? Show me thumbs up, please. If it is good, please show me thumbs up. Yeah, thank you. See, Nana. Okay. So root 2, root 3, pi are irrational numbers and they are non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. So 5 root 2, if you multiply with 5 and root 2, 5 and root 2, you will get a 5.5 into 1.414, so on, you will get 7.070. How do we multiply, Nana? See, 1.414 into suppose take 5. 5 fours are 20 and 5 ones are 5 and 7. 5 fours are 20. Same 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. So decimal point after 3 decimals I'm taking here. Here is the decimal point. 0.070. If you put infinite and so on, can take here also 0.70 so on. So this 7.070 is non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, right? So this is a irrational number. That is a irrational number. Coming to next, third one, 5 by root 2. So 5 by root 2, multiplying and dividing with root 2. Multiplying and dividing with root 2. So that becomes 5 root 2 by 2. 5 root 2 by 2. Already we have 5 root 2 value here, right? 7.070 so on. And dividing with 2. So we will get 3.535 so on. 3.535 so on. Forget about the decimal point. Simply take 7070 and divide. We'll get this 3.535. After the some steps, you can take directly 3.535 here. Okay. See Nana here. Here this procedure is called here rationalization, which we learned in the next exercise. We will learn in the next exercise. Okay. That is called rationalization of a irrational number. We'll discuss just within minutes, if possible. Otherwise, in tomorrow's class. Gunasai, unmute Nana. Sit properly. I'm not getting your voice. Many times I told you to use earphones, Nana. If you use headphones or earphones, you may get good voice in sound, in quality. Can't you hear me, Nana? Okay. Whatever the problem, Gunasai, I'm not getting your voice. If any doubt in the class, no problem. I will upload this video in the channel. You can watch that video. Still, if you have any doubt, please text me in WhatsApp or record your voice and send it to me. Sharon.
Sir, now your voice is breaking.
Pranavi. Pranavi. Yes, Nana.
Sir.
Voice clear ga unda neeku? Voice clear ga unda?
Yes, sir.
Clear ga undattunna. అప్పుడప్పుడు అవుతుందేమో. ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి మీరు కాస్త ఒకసారి, ఓకేనా? చూద్దాం, నెక్స్ట్ రిపీట్ అవ్వడం చూసుకుందాం ఒకసారి. ఓకే, నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తానన్నా, ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ వాచ్ చేయండి. నేను రికార్డ్ చేసి ఆమె ఎట్లా రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను, ఓకేనా? నో ప్రాబ్లం. ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు బేర్ విత్ మీ. ఓకే, నెంబర్ 3, 21 plus root 3. 21 plus root 3. So 21 root 3 value 1.732. If you add that 21.00000 and 1.732002337.22. So 22.732 so on will get. Okay, that is also irrational number. Here it is also irrational number, and here it is also irrational number, right? And coming to fourth one, pi is a irrational number, 3 is a rational number. Pi is an irrational number, 3 is a rational number. So pi plus 3, what is the pi value? 3.1415 so on, and plus 3, we get 6.1415 so on. Okay, so this is also non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, so that it is also irrational number. Okay, so above 1, 2, 3, 4, all the irrational numbers. Just please observe here, one box is there. If Q is irrational and S is irrational, then Q plus S, Q minus S, QS and Q by S are irrational numbers. Did you get that concept of this box? If you take a rational number and one is irrational number, one is rational and one more is irrational, and add them, subtract them, multiply them, divide them, you will get irrational numbers only. You will get irrational numbers only. Clear? Yes, this is the example for that. Here we have multiplied one rational and irrational number, and here we divided with irrational number, with rational number by irrational number, and here we added a rational number with irrational number, and here is also adding. So if you take 5 minus 3, 21 minus 3, root 3 also, you will get irrational numbers only. Property is very important in multiple choice questions. Okay, clear? Next. See the example number 14. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. This way, yeah. I'll take in whiteboard. See the question. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. See, this is the example number 14. Solution. See, 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. He is asking us to subtract this number from this. Okay. So that I am taking first 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus and taking a bracket and 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. Okay, why I am taking bracket here? Because we have minus sign, because we are taking subtraction. If it is addition, no need to keep that bracket, no. But for subtraction, you must maintain the bracket, okay? Right. So next, 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3, minus into place becomes minus, that becomes 5 root 3, minus 5 root 3, okay, and minus into place again minus, nothing is there, so 7 root 5, okay, and write root 5 terms one side, and here it is 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5, and root 3 terms one side, that is 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, just like terms, right? I'm writing root 5 terms one side and root 3 terms one side. Check it once, please. 3 root 5 and 7 root 3. Okay, good. And minus 7 root 5. Sorry, 3 root 5 and minus 7 root 5. Minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, is it clear? Any doubts? And have I done any mistake here? No mistakes, right? Okay, thank you. So here it is. Yeah, how do we subtract them, Nana? Suppose you have 3x minus 5x. What is the answer? What is the answer? Charan.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Turn off your video and watch that, Nana. Stop your, those who are getting disturbance of voice, please switch off your videos and try to attend. Okay, and I told you already, I will upload in that channel, then I will send the link. Okay, no problem. So 3x minus 5x, what becomes, Nana? It becomes minus 2x, right? Isn't it? So likewise, 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5, what becomes? Minus 4 root 5. Okay, just simply take 3 minus 7, which is nothing but minus 4, and then add root 5 as it is. Okay, and same likewise, you have minus x and minus 2x, what it becomes? Obviously, it becomes minus 3x, right? So as like this is also minus 7 and minus 5. Minus 7 and minus 5, what becomes no? Minus 12. Okay, it becomes minus 12. So it becomes now minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 root 3. Okay, clear? So if you want to stop, you can stop here, or else take one more step also. Take minus common. It becomes 4 root 5 plus 12 root 3. This is the answer. When we subtracted 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3, the answer is minus of 4 root 5 plus 12 root 3. Okay, right. Please take the screenshots of today's class. I will share from first onwards. This is the first paper. Second paper. And third paper. And fourth paper. Okay. Right now, and I have given you homework, right? What is the homework? What is the homework now? Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Okay, right.